Okay, good evening, everybody. Today, Para will take the class. You will learn Jamovi and the Art Studio, both. So please follow the class carefully. I'm making Para as the host. Okay,
Yes,
Para, you are the host.
yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. So today we will learn about site package, and this is a very extremely useful in psychology. This package I have told you in our previous lecture also, and it is useful in safety research, behavioral sciences, because it simplifies the statistical analysis. Instead of writing long codes, we can use simple functions to perform complex statistical procedure. So it is a library. You all know that it is a library in our studio, and it is specifically designed for descriptive statistics, correlation analysis, reliability analysis, factor analysis, t-test and ANOVA, data visualization. Factor analysis I'm not going to show you because it is going to be there in the next module, and we will do factor analysis with the data in the next module. But other things I will show you. T-test I have already shown you by using this package in our previous lectures. So these are the some common functions from site package. You know how to how to download this package in the in R Studio and even in Jamovi related R. So library site, we have to first write library site, and then there is a function called describe. Okay, so this function is used to generate a summary of the statistical properties of a data set. Okay. And you know, it calculates various statistics for each variable like mean, median, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, quartiles. Uh, so now we'll do this with a practical. Okay. Let me show you the screen of Jamovi. We will do this in Jamovi R Studio. Okay. So now I'll just take a hypothetical data set, which is a public school data, and we will see this function describe of site package by using this data. Okay. So suppose, so first I have to create vector for public school, right? Am I right? You all know what is vector. So now I'm creating a vector public school. Okay. Now see, you know that vectors are two type. One is numeric and another one is character. So we are using numeric vector. Now I'll put the data. I'm just copy pasting the data here. Right? This is my data. First, I have created the vector. Now, because the function is in the live site package, so and I have already downloaded the site package. So I will write library.
Adana Para, whatever you are telling, that is not shown.
Ha, sir, I am showing only. Sir, can you see my screen?
Hmm. But
Huh.
you are telling that is you have created one vector. So
Ah, yes,
we
sir.
find
This is,
only that is not there.
it is there, sir.
Where?
C
Eh,
121.
No, nothing. It is only the summary data 1:3. So
The
please change.
let me share it again. So can you see now? I can see in my screen.
Yeah,
120
now it is
coming. Huh.
coming.
Now it is coming. Okay. So now library bracket site. Okay. Because it is in the library, we will run this function first. And now we will use the describe button. Describe public school. So it will give you this kind of thing of your variable. Okay. Mean, SD, median, minimum, maximum, range, vertices. Okay. So these are the things that will that you will get by using describe function of site package. Okay. Now, so this is related to describe function. Now moving to the other functions. So there is one function pairs dot pen. Okay. Let me show which looks like this. Let me show you first in the PPT. Then I will do the practical. I've shown you in the previous class also that this looks like after when you use pairs dot panels, this kind of thing will appear. This is a plot, and you will see that it create a matrix of scatter plots and correlation coefficient for a set of variables. Okay, it's a very simple code. Pairs dot panels in bracket में your variable. Okay, now we'll do another practical for to see this pairs dot panels function. Okay. So we will use the same data set, public school, not public school, actually the school related data only I'm using. So first I will use assignment data set. I'm creating a vector name assignment. Okay. It is also a numeric vector. Then I'm creating attendance vector. It's all hypothetical. And then there is data frame. I want these two assignment at attendance in one vector. So what will I do? I will use data.frame function. Okay. Now this all will be there in one. We run it. Let me first show you. So this is my the two data sets are there in one vector, which is called student data, assignment, and attendance of students. Okay. Now I want to use pairs.panels. I want to see the correlation matrix. So I will use this function. Okay, so this is Jamovi. So in Jamovi, do not use a big title for this thing. Otherwise, it will not. So see, pairs.panel is a function which will show you correlation matrix. It is there in the site package. And I have put it my student data in that function bracket. And main is for my title. So when I run this will come. This kind of thing will come. Okay. Attendance and assign. So this is a very good function in site package, which is very easy to use. It's not a very hectic coding, just a function pairs.panels. Okay.
So it indicates the histogram and the regression
Yeah.
line.
Yes, the scatter plots also.
Hmm.
Hmm? Yeah, it's correct. That is correct. Now next is ANOVA. So ANOVA is also last time I think Jolly ma'am is not here right now. She asked me about the ANOVA in the R pack. So I'm going to show you how we can use this ANOVA function in R Studio. Okay, so I will use data set again. So, I have already created one data set which is named public school. Now I'm creating one more data set which is corporation school. Okay, so I'm creating one more vector in which the data of corporation school is there. Okay, first public school, then corporation. So these are the two different data set of school. Now I'll use this function. I want to put it in one. So I will use here append, not data frame. Okay. So what does this append do? Any idea? Let me show you first. Let me run. Let me show you X now. Can you see? This is X 120, 180. So what is this append for? Append thing is doing. This is combining the data. So data frame mein you are putting two data sets in one vector like this, assignment and attendance. But when you use append, you will see the whole data set in one go. Okay, so this is the difference. Now next step, print X. Now codes for school type. I'm creating code. So how many data set are there in public school and how many are in corporation school? Can anybody tell me? It must be 10, right? Right? It must be 10 because it is total like 20. So 10 in public, 10 in corporation. Now I will create codes, group codes for this. So I will write public school REP 1 comma 10. Okay. And then
So
this,
REP means repeated.
sir,
REP means repeated.
sir, actually it is represent the codes, group code.
Mm.
Okay.
So now you write down
Public school.
print public school code.
So this is the code. So this group code is 1 and there are 10 data sets. Now if I want to create another group code for the another data set, then it will be, any guesses? One I have already given. I will create REP 2. Let's take 2. 2 comma 10. So public school is your first, corporation school is for second. Okay. These are the group codes. Now I will create a data frame. I want these two in one data, in one vector. So Z as Z, then data dot frame, then X, Y. Okay. Now in Z you will find my X and Y. Object Y. Okay, one second. Y is not there. Y हमने miss कर दिया. Okay, yeah. Y is here. Sorry. So Y. After this, we have to write one more step is there. After this, we will write this, and then we will make operations rule. Okay. So you can see that the first is for public school, second is for corporation school, and this is the data set. So in Z, you will find code with data set of these two schools. Now I will run ANOVA. Okay. So I will first create a vector. This is school ANOVA. After this, box plot. There is one mistake. Okay, yeah, I got it. So school ANOVA, then LM, XY, and then something. Yeah, then it will come. Sorry. So codes, you have to be very careful with the codes. So school ANOVA I have created, then LM and bracket X. This sign, you can see this wavy sign is for ANOVA. Okay. So then, so this is ANOVA ka thing. You can see here it is. This is your ANOVA result. And this is your box plot. Okay. Now, let me just check. For the interpretation, I will use describe function, which will show me. This is the hypothetical data, so please don't take it seriously. You will find that the public school is showing very good. Public school is showing the good result. And describe will give you mean also. So you can see that the mean of public school is high and mean of corporation school is low compared to public school. So this is how ANOVA works in R Studio. Okay, it's a very simple function. You just have to remember the function and this wavy sign for ANOVA. Okay, so this is the result of ANOVA. Call LM formula, residuals are there. Okay, and this is box plot for visualization. One, two, you know, one is for public, two is for this thing. Corporation is full. We are showing mean here. In box plot, we are showing mean. I can say. So this is for now there are other functions also inside package. Like for example, we want to check the reliability, right? So alpha, we use alpha and then suppose empty cars here. Empty cars. We are using empty cars data set, which is already there stored in our studio. So let's see. So this is reliability. This is how we check reliability in our studio. And you will find that this is not only showing our reliability, it is also showing item analysis, item statistics. Okay. So this is a very good advantage that just writing alpha and your name, you will get a lot of information about your variable. And it's like in our studio, we usually say that it is good for the huge data set, because just look at the flow. You're just writing your data. You're just creating vector for your data and just writing one word alpha, and you will see that see you will get a lot of information just by writing alpha of your variable. So is it good? It is good, right? Now suppose I want to check correlation matrix of this data set. So what will be the function? Just one word. It's not very hectic coding. Just one word you have to write. Lower code. And then we will see the correlation. Look at the correlation of the same value. So these are the functions which are there in R Studio. These are very common functions, very good, because the topic is core functions. So these are the core functions, and there are other functions also in our studio principal PCA and factor analysis. So that part, that if you want to see, I can show you PCA. I can show you with the already installed library, data library. See crime. Crime, mein you will see PCA. Let me show you how PCA looks like, because I don't have data right now for this. You can see this is clustered into one. See, MDS plot, K means plot. This is in Jamovi. Jamovi R Studio. 3D scatter plot. So many things are there. This is in Jamovi. But it is different in R Studio. Coding is little uh, different in R Studio. In Jamovi, it is very easy. You just have to click on factor and then principal component analysis. Okay. We can take all these variables here, write down based on fixed number two, sort loading. You will see PCA now. But yeah, if you want to use PCA inside package, then the codings are little different. We have another class for this package. In that class, we will discuss about other code functions. For now, for today's class, I think this much is enough. So, can anybody tell me what we have learned today? Anyone want to conclude? Let me show you the.
Hello, Farah, you have the psychological data, huh? So please you
Sir?
show some psychological data.
Ah, psychological data is also there.
You have the psychological data,
Yeah, sure. I'll
because
let
the
me show you.
empty cards that
It's
is
not
not appropriate for
psychological.
alpha.
Correct. Ha,
That
that
is
is.
not for alpha data.
So actually, I was not getting any psychological big data here. Value data I have. Let me show them in value data. Okay.
It should be the
I'll
your
show you that.
interval scale,
Huh.
rating
This,
scale.
I hope this is the correct data. So in this, by using this data, this is our data, RPRIT data. So let me show you. This is value data, preventive value data. So suppose alpha data dollar self. Sorry, first we have to write library. I don't know. We don't have that much data. Data must be a data frame. or a matrix. Yeah, that's a problem. So actually, we don't have that kind of data. Can we see in any data library? Hmm. So that kind of data right now we don't have.
No, no,
Alpha
you are
prediction.
starting from the, no, no, no. This data is working. You go,
Hmm.
what is your rating? Rating is the,
Hmm. So here, library
huh.
site. Hmm.
No, 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 don't do this. First, you write down names, NAMES,
Okay.
bracket data. Huh? Then you run.
Yes.
So you can find out the data from 13
Sir.
to
Right.
23.
Okay. Data frame.
13 to, you have to extract the data. You write down value
Hmm.
equal to
Path value. Data frame.
data, then box bracket. No, no.
Huh. Yes, sir.
Data, then box bracket.
Okay.
Data, then
Huh.
box bracket. No, no. Oh,
Okay.
what to chatpat kare. Tado 13
13. Okay.
is to
20.
23.
Okay.
So you have extracted this data that is the path value. Now
Huh.
you run it.
Okay.
Hmm. Then enter. Then you write down alpha
Okay.
bracket path value.
Okay.
Then you run.
So non-numeric.
Hmm. Data 13 is to 23.
No. Non-numeric argument to binary operator.
Okay. Then you can write down. Uh, okay, just remove. Then you write down class bracket path value.
Okay. Yes. Hmm. Yes, sir.
Run
Classic work.
what it is written.
Data frame, sir.
That is in data frame. Okay. Uh, you have to declare the data because the path value, you have to declare the data. It is written the nominal. So we have to
We have to
change it using
yeah. So
hmm.
okay. Then it
Now
is
you change it
continuous.
continuous.
Then analysis. Can I run now? Alpha.
Just to check.
Now it is working. It said the value, the alpha value is not good. I mean the
Hmm?
value. So the value is not coming good. I mean just minus 2.5. It's not a good data. I mean we have to done a very
Okay, okay.
other things.
So at least
Um,
students can understand that
uh,
this is the procedure.
yes, sir.
So we have to remove some of the items and other things.
So
That
they
is
are
possible. Uh,
cleanliness, no work family, and Niskam resolute active. Okay, I'll take path value equal to data dollar self awakening. अच्छा सर डेटा डॉट फ्रेम हमको लेना है ना तो
hmm.
ये सब वैल्यूज लाइन में नहीं है सर चलिए जो तो जो अच्छी वैल्यूज है उसको देख लेते हैं. क्लीनिनेस, वो नो वर्क फैमिली, निष्कम, 1 2 3 4 5 values we have to remove. Still, it's not that good.
Yes,
Minus 0.1.
uh, because the data is not good.
Data is
So,
not. Data is
but
not good.
you have some other data, safety data you have. You can
Huh.
show.
Okay. This is it. Yeah. Okay. So 1 second. Let me just take a safety data.
You have noted high alpha value. So that type of scale you can show. That is better. So the student can understand.
So like, okay, just 1 second. Okay. I can write it. One, I have 1 second. Let me upload the file. Hmm. Okay, I'm showing. So Jamovi, yeah, safety data file. RPRIT data, library site, then first names data.
Now, first you check whether the data is in nominal or data
Acha, this is also value data,
is
but
in
this is a good
continuous.
data. This is a good data. This is a good data of value. So I said, let this are marketed. Let me just first declare this. अच्छा ये एक लाइन में नहीं है.
First you have to modify, na?
हाँ मॉडिफाई हो
Oh,
गया.
no. Okay, okay, okay.
मॉडिफाई हो
Book type.
गया. डेटा डॉट फ्रेम डाल के करना पड़ेगा सर. डेटा डॉलर.
You can use the number, then automatically it will go. That is better.
वो
Unnecessary while writing.
सर फ्लो नहीं है ना. अब देखिए सेल्फ अवेकनिंग के बाद देयर इज आई देन जे. आई डोंट वांट आई जे एल एन.
Okay.
हाँ दैट इज और लेट मी डिलीट आई जे एन देन आई कैन. Actually, I have another file. And okay, now I can take. So from 7 to 20. So,
No, no, you do not write down data frame.
yes, sir.
Hmm.
This is actually the scale. I think we have done wrong. This is not continuous, I guess. Value is not coming good.
No, this is a value data. No, I think you have some good data. So if you show that one, that is better.
So actually, what to do? The data profile. Okay, sir. Let me just one more time. That yummy data. Okay, sir. I'm last time trying now. Actually, the rate pre-processing is not like I have done. Let me just open one more thing. I want this one. Let just 9. Sir, I have got one good data. Okay, let me show them. It is a value data only. So this is showing 0.65 value of path. So this is alpha value. You can see item statistics and all. So students, this is our value data only, path oriented value. We have taught you and you know about it. Rabindic value there is divided into uh, this thing value set. One is path value and another one is goal value. We are checking alpha value for path value. Alpha means reliability. So by using this code, you can see the reliability of your variable. Here the variable is path value. We are checking the reliability of path value, Rabindic path value, which is coming 0.65, which is like
Pardon,
0.7.
pardon, pardon. Hello, pardon. So
Yes,
that terminology is the path-oriented value, not the path
sir.
value, goal value.
Yeah, correct.
Hmm.
Path value is a vector, and the correct term,
Hmm.
actually, the correct term that we use is path oriented value and the goal oriented. There are 14 values in path oriented value and 14 in goal oriented value. We have taught you in the first module about the value scale. So in this scale, right now we are checking for reliability for path oriented value, in which we can see 14 values, and the reliability is coming 0.65. 0. Above 0.7 wala thing considered to be good, but this is also like okay, just to show you how it works. So 0.65 is also good. So you can see item statistics and everything by using this function. And then if you want to see the lower correlation matrix, so you will use your core function and bucket, and you will see correlation matrix also. Okay. So this is our data set. This is collected by our students in one of the internship. So this is the result. So now you all know some of the functions of site package. In another class, we will tell you other functions of site package. These are the core functions. So can anybody tell me what we have learned today of site package? Shamsari ma'am, Jolly ma'am, do you want to conclude? Or Rima ma'am? Hello. Hello.
Pardon.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Hmm. Now you click the Jamovi, that is
Okay.
the factor
Huh.
reliability analysis. You click, then you take this value.
Okay.
Then there is item rest correlation, mean standard deviation. Hmm. Now we have received this item rest correlation, and we have noted that some of the items, they are not very
Good.
good one item. For example, the first item,
Okay.
another one is the uh,
So 180.
so,
Sorry, 1.
so hmm,
1 0.
1 and 2. If we can remove these two, then we may change in the alpha. It is 0.67.
68, 0.68.
Now here you can find out in Jamovi, it is clearly written, systematic self-acceptance, fearless and cleanliness correlate negatively with the total scale and probably should be reversed. So here you can get some guideline, that is whether there is any reverse item or not. So if you find out the reverse item, then you have to remove that item, because Cronbach's alpha provides you unidimensionality. That means all the items should be correlated with each other, and all the items should be correlated with the total score. That is the basic assumption. Okay. Therefore, you must be very much conscious about the item rest correlation. If you find the item rest correlation is low, then you have to remove that item, or you have to remodify the items for your other research. And you must be very much careful. And if you do not remove those items, you may find out the correlation of your variable with other dependent variable or criterion variable that will be seriously affected. So you must be very much careful about it. So now it is clear, Rima Jolly Samastri.
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
স্যার আমি প্রথমটা শুনিনি, কারণ ডাক্তারের কাছে ছিলাম, তারপরে বেরিয়ে জয়েন করেছিলাম, তো সেখান থেকে যেটা দেখেছি সেটা বুঝেছি, কিন্তু শুরুটা ওই ইউটিউবটা দেখে নিতে হবে স্যার আমাকে, তাহলে বাকিটা ক্লিয়ার
হ্যাঁ
হয়ে
ওটা,
যাবে।
হ্যাঁ যেটা করলে সেটা ইউটিউবে রয়েছে, একবার ওটা দেখে নাও। যদি
হ্যাঁ
অসুবিধা হয় আমাদেরকে জিজ্ঞাসা করবে, আমরা বলে দেবো।
হ্যাঁ 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 স্যার।
হুম।
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার। হুম হুম।
আর আজকে দুটো জিনিস দেখাবার চেষ্টা করেছে। একটা হচ্ছে যে জামোভিতে কিভাবে অ্যানালিসিস করা যাচ্ছে, আর জামোভি ছাড়া, কারণ জামোভিতে এভরিথিং ইজ নট পসিবল। হ্যাঁ, therefore you can use the RG editor, and by using the RG editor you can solve some of the problems. Hello, Farah.
স্যার
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Shamasri, are you telling something?
স্যার বলছিলাম কি 27 তারিখেরটা বদলে 28 তারিখে করলে ভালো হয়, কারণ শুক্রবার আমি বাড়ি ফিরবো। আমার বাড়ি ফিরতে প্রায় 6-7 ঘন্টা লাগবে, জাগুলি ফিরতে, তো আমি ফিরতেই 9টা বেজে যাবে।
কি
এই
হবে
দোলের
28 তারিখে? কি আছে 28 তারিখে?
27-এর বদলে 28 তারিখে পরীক্ষাটা চাইছি স্যার। শুক্রবার দিনকে আমি বাড়ি ফিরবো, তো অন দা ওয়েতে থাকবো। তার সঙ্গে আমার কোলে বাচ্চা থাকবে, তো আমি অন দা ওয়েতেও জয়েন করতে পারবো না। 9টা বাজবে আমার বাড়ি ফিরতে, ওই জন্য 28 তারিখ শনিবার পরীক্ষাটা হলে আমার খুব সুবিধা হয়। ল্যাপটপটাও থাকবে, আমার ওই জামুভিটা ইনস্টলও করা আছে আমার বরের কম্পিউটারটাতে, আমার খুব সুবিধা হয় 28 তারিখে পরীক্ষা করলে।
বাকিদের কি হবে? And Ushmita
স্যার
can
আমারও
tell something.
28 হলে ভালো হয় স্যার। তার কারণ আমি যে বাচ্চাটাকে পড়াই, স্পেশাল চাইল্ড, তো তো ওকে আমাকে স্পেশাল এডুকেশনের সাপোর্টটা দিতে হয়। এবার ওর ফাইনাল এক্সাম, অ্যানুয়াল এক্সাম চলছে স্যার, আমি এখন অ্যাবসেন্ট করতে পারবো না, মানে আমাকে পড়াতে যেতেই হবে স্যার। তো আমারও ফিরতে ফিরতে 9টা 10-15 হয়ে যায়। তো তারপরে এসে তো 8টা থেকে তো পরীক্ষা শুরু হলে আমি তো আর দিতে পারবো না। স্যার আমারও স্যাটারডে হলে খুব ভালো হয়, শনিবারটাই নিয়ে নিই স্যার। 28 তারিখ হলে আমারও খুব সুবিধা হয়, মানে সুবিধা হয় মানে আমি দিতে পারবো, আমি 27 তারিখ হলে দিতেই পারবো না। কিন্তু 9টা 10-15 ফ্রি স্যার, কখনো 20 এরম হয়ে যায়। আর এখন তো ফাইনাল মানে অ্যানুয়াল এক্সাম চলছে, বুঝতেই পারছেন আমি এখন সারা বছর তাকে করি, এখন অ্যাবসেন্ট করলে খুব বাজে একটা মানে ইমপ্রেশন তৈরি হবে আমার।
Hello, Ashmita, what is your opinion? They are telling 28. Ashmita, are you here?
Sir, Ashmita is facing some electricity problem. Uh,
Okay.
yes, sir. Sir,
Okay, I think first one,
স্যার চ্যাটে লিখেছে, করা যেতে পারে লিখেছে স্যার অস্মিতা।
can be done, she
acha,
said.
acha.
Yeah.
Okay, then it will be on 28th.
থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার, থ্যাংক ইউ।
থ্যাংক
Please
ইউ
do
স্যার।
follow carefully. Huh?
থ্যাংক
Please
ইউ
follow
স্যার।
the YouTube properly. Okay, thank you.
গুড নাইট স্যার।
Good night. Now,
Okay, good
Farah,
night.
you can close the session.
Yes, sir. Yes.